Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video I'm going to be looking at the Remarkables Marker Plus versus LAMY's digital stylus. So a subscriber of mine mentioned to me about this LAMY pen, which I already owned, but if you write with it on the Remarkable, in fact I'll do it now just to tell you how it feels. So actually if I can even feel from here, it just doesn't, it feels a bit sticky. It's quite a horrible experience really, certainly versus writing on the marker's pen. This is a test and this is absolutely horrible. So I discounted using this with the Remarkable 2. And if I compare it to this stylus, just from a writing feel, and I go, this is a test. It's smooth, it just feels really nice. However, what the subscriber said to me is that the LAMY is compatible with the Remarkable nibs. So if I use this device here, this can be fun to do. It's like, there we go. So take the nib out, nice and easy. And this is how the Remarkable 2 nibs come. And you can simply just put a Remarkable 2 nib in the LAMY pen and it fits really nicely. And then you can do, this is a test. And you can't, well, certainly there's no difference in terms of the nibs because they're exactly the same. So there's none of that sort of slowness, stickiness. So it then becomes down to the comparison of these two pens and which you prefer. Now, what the Marker Plus has is two major advantages. First of all, it's magnetic. It just sticks to the side there. And practically all day long, I've got the cover and the case over here, the pen attached to the side. It's always with me. And from a practical perspective, I don't see that changing. The other major advantage is you've got a rubber here. So you can just rub like that and it's really useful. Otherwise, you have to click on there, click the eraser and then click back. So there are a couple of useful features in this pen. In fact, actually, theoretically on some other styluses, the LAMY has a button here to act as an eraser, but it doesn't work on the Remarkable stylus. But from a practical perspective, LAMY has been making pens for a long, long time. Whether you've heard of LAMY or not, I've used LAMY pens since I was at school. They're a fantastic pen maker and they know how to make a good feeling pen. So then once we start to get into the feel of it, the Remarkable pen is very thin. So go back to, this is a test. And it's fine. I mean, I've written for hours and hours with this pen. But then if we just do a compare and contrast, and it sits on the back, and we go, this is a test. I'm going to say it feels better. There's something about the feel of this pen, the different thicknesses, just holding it there, that practically from my use case, I think I'm going to try and have this LAMY pen with me as much as possible. It's light, it's easy to carry around. Now actually, with the Remarkable 2, if you don't already own one, you have to pay extra for the marker. Well, for the marker is about £50. And the Marker Plus, so the difference between the Marker Plus and the marker is the marker, I think, comes in a white type colour. The Marker Plus comes in black, but importantly, the Marker Plus comes with that eraser. So the LAMY is about as much as the marker. So you don't have to buy a pen directly from Remarkable. You could just buy this from LAMY, not buy the pen from Remarkable, and potentially that's a way to save some money. Now you will need to buy the nibs from Remarkable because it's the Remarkable nibs that make all this work. You get to hear that sound. But I just want to put this video out there to say, if you don't want to spend £100 on this, if you prefer a pen that's thicker and don't like the look of the Remarkable marker pens, then the LAMY is really a very, very good alternative, if not a better alternative, bearing in mind you do lose that magnet on the side and the ability to use that inbuilt eraser. So just wanted to put this out there. Hopefully that's been of some help. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you like what we're trying to do here, share ideas. I mean, this idea wasn't mine, it came from a subscriber, but just put any questions you've got in the comments. I'm going to leave some videos around me. And until next time, I've been Alex. Thanks for watching.